the incident, so that everyone is safe. But you didn't
For
follow
anybody
my.
going to the wedding is at Santa Monica Pier. It starts at 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's time for us to make our way over.
If you don't care, it means okay. I caught it on the body cam.
Alright, Sir Jake.
I caught it in body cam.
You have body cam with that?
I have.
Okay, just upload it and send it to
I,
me and FG.
I do have a body cam.
Yes, Sir Jake.
Because she was trying to say that I disrespect his wife, Lucille Budge, because I tased them both. I told him I already gave an order. Even Ma'am Chelsea and Ma'am J and all the higher ups are there, and all the soldiers are there. They're not following orders that put away their gun. So that's why I tased them, because they're trying to fight with Smokey Bear. So I'm just trying to hold the what they call this, the commotion on it. You saw it, Sir Jake? Correct? Am I correct? Yeah, I I already noticed it. That's why I opened my body cam. However, I'm just trying to fix the problem with it. I'm just trying to calm down everyone. However, they didn't follow my orders, even the higher ups order. Ma'am Chelsea, the DFG was there, the CG was there. The CG or the higher ups already asking them to put down their gun, but they didn't follow. That's why I tased them. Tased them. Go ahead, Sir Smokey.
And to be honest to you, I'm not even the one who brought up the whole English, you need to speak English conversation. I just threw my input in on it because I am from PD. I have been in PD a lot of times, so I kind of like wanted to learn a lot about the rules and everything. And one of the things I noticed is the Army rules are not actually like how the PD rules are laid out in the handbook. So with that being said, that's why I spoke up and I said what I said. And I never, not one time did I say on anybody, and I mean, you can watch anybody's body camera. I never said they don't know how to speak English. I never said that. They said that we need to learn how to speak Filipino. And I told them, like, that's wrong of you to say because, like, I don't have to learn Filipino just so I can understand what you're saying. Like, I understand TikTok NRP got headphones that can translate, but honestly, my headphones don't translate. So that's what I was trying to tell him was like, it's still an English server at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? You can't force people to learn your language. And they took it a whole different way, saying basically them thinking that I'm saying they don't know how to speak English. That's not what I'm saying.
Sir, this is the point. Maybe there's a miscommunication with that on how you deliver those words,
That's
because I
exactly how
think
I said it.
Lucille got heated. That's why he came over to you and also one state Demiji. However,
Oh
when the
yeah, I ain't
time
worried
when
about
the time
Denji. It's the
I
other
already
one. I didn't
noticed
even do anything.
when the time I noticed that Demiji and Lucille already heated, that's why all the higher ups told them that to put down their guns because they bring out the guns. However, they didn't follow. That's why I tased them. However, on your statement on that language, yes,
Can
we
you
do
please stop
understand it.
playing the
However,
walkie-talkie?
some of the Filipinos are some of us Filipinos maybe misinterpreted
Who
what you're
was on
trying to say.
walkie-talkie?
However, we
Who on
will
that
talk to
call?
them so that the next time uh, they will understand
I'm like, for real,
what are
stop
you trying to
pissing me
say.
off.
That's all, sir. Thank you. Any thoughts, Mom Chelsea?
So I'm guessing Mr. Zach and Miss London are off.
Yeah, I totally agree with you. I mean, it's understandable to misinterpret things here and there.
Yes, sir. By the way, I would like to raise a concern on this. Sir Jake, do you have the body cam do you have the body cam of one state Demaji? What did he did to me just earlier now?
Yeah, see, that's why this time I just try to hold my composure. I mean, I low key want to go back and look at my body camera and see if they pointed their gun at me because I mean, at the end of the day, I didn't even pull out no weapon. I didn't cuss at nobody. I think I
Okay,
did good this time.
we will review those body cams that has on during during that briefing, right? So
Okay, so if they did point
uh
their gun at me, do I have the right to press charges?
Sir Jake, do you also have the body cam here at RT? Can you send it to Ma'am Chelsea, please? And
thank you, Sir
also the
Smokey.
briefing and
Alright,
also the
Sir
briefing.
Bounty come here just to witness the interview with the three generals. So if you're all done, sir, you can uh do your I mean do your task, and we
I'll
will
be going.
review those body cams.
All
Chelsea, I'll
right,
be
thank you.
going.
You're welcome.